One more data type called cell. If you type any variable name equal to, yeah, any variable name, yeah, equal to a cell, a bracket open, bracket close. Maybe, yeah, underscore is needed. You cannot give
Okay.
variable with, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Now cell,
Hmm.
yeah, and bracket open, give, this will be defining the size of the cell, like how many
Okay.
rows and how many columns you want for the cell.
Okay.
Yeah, you can give any random numbers, how many rows and how many columns you want. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, enter. Yeah, so this much size of the cell is being created, and now what you can do, like you can, if you assign it with some, by default it will be double. Okay, by
Hmm.
default it will be double, but you can assign any type of data type into individual block set of the data. Like suppose first this will be 1,5 will be a character, then 2,5 it will be a matrix, like that. Any data type you can assign to, yeah, maybe, yeah, I need to know, you need to know how to access these data. So you can use now variable names that you have defined.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
uh, no, left side you have, it is there, right? Variable names that you, data that you have created, so it is completely blank now.
Yeah.
You need to fill it with the corresponding one. Maybe you keep it open, not like that, with the help of commands only we will do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so what you can do, you keep that variable open so that you will be able to see the changes. Double click on the variable. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Downside, in command window, you can type like same variable underscore name equal to,
Okay.
any inside quotes. Maybe you can write anything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not cell, anything inside quotes you can write. Yeah. Equal to anything inside quotes. Yeah. This will be a string.
Hello.
Inside quotes, not bracket. Yeah. Suppose
Hmm.
matrix is a string, and that you want to have, but name is already, name underscore variable is there, but it is not defined like where you want to store it. It has multiple cells, right? So
Yes.
after variable underscore name, you need to give the index by curly braces. Yeah. Curly braces start, curly braces close. Yeah, and
Hmm.
inside that you can give it the proper index which you want to store, then press enter. Not this one, specific number you need to give. Yeah, not 22, which is in the range, maybe. Yeah, yeah, 1,1 is fine. First row, second, first column. Yeah, enter. Yeah, now you are able to see like matrix got written
Okay.
into the one column one. Yeah. If
Okay.
you want to give some numbers into the same variable, then you can assign it to some other index, like 1,2, or yeah, some
Okay.
other index. Yeah. Can you try it? Yeah. Maybe upper arrow key if you use, then you can type fast. Yeah. Just change the numbers, it will be fine. Yeah. 1,1 is there, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that you can change maybe some other numbers. Yeah, enter with yeah, any, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, both are same data type, but if you also try to enter a different data type, even if you want to enter a structure also, it will work. You can
Okay.
assign h into the same which you created, right? H variable, that directly you can assign it to there. Maybe variable name and variable name, yeah, 1,3 equal to h. Yeah, yeah, that one, 1,3 equal to h maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, no, not in quotes. You have already a variable h, which is a structure. Yeah, that variable. Enter. Yeah, you have the structure inside a cell now. So
Okay.
cell can store anything inside it. This is the most flexible data type in Matlab, where suppose if you want to store any type of data type, suppose you have some pixel values, and these pixel values represent some data, like
Mm.
yeah, suppose this image has some pixel values, and these pixel value represents like a car or something.
Mm.
So that way you can have a, suppose 1,1 the pixel values, and the second one will have the category 1,2. Yeah, like that. One data structure will be enough to store anything.
Mm.